Good morning everyone. Nasa YouTube tayo ngayon at hindi ko alam kay Sir kung bakit ipopost ito sa YouTube. Pero gagawin ito para sa grade. In today's video, I'm going to talk about my dreams and aspiration. First, we'll start with my dreams. There's a bit of backstory in my dreams. When I am in LM, what I wanted to become is an civil engineering. But when I became high school, that dreams changed. Now I want to become an agricultural engineering. Maybe because of the influence of my father being an farmer, and someday I want to help him. But my parents want me to become an lawyer. But when I said I don't like it, they don't push me for something that they want, and I'm very thankful for that. And how do I achieve my dreams? Siyempre, di na po ako magiging pasaway, hindi na din po ako malilate, at higit sa lahat, magiging mabait na po ako sa aking kaklase. Siyempre, joke lang yun. I'll achieve them through hard work with patience and effort. And who's my aspiration? Of course, it's my parents who supports me, and I want to help them someday. And that's all. Thank you for listening.